many geniuses know this?
What animal can survive without water? It's the camel, desert MVP and hydration king.
Before we go to the next one, please subscribe for more.
Which land animal has the best hearing? The elephant. It can hear with its feet, too. What animal changes color to hide? The chameleon, nature's master of disguise. Which animal sees using sound? The bat, echolocation expert since forever. Which animal has powered war, sports? The horse, still the original horsepower.
How many did you get right? Comment your score or you're out.